everyone! Want to help your adult students become more confident and targeted in their learning? Timed practice tests are a powerful tool to close learning gaps and build essential exam skills. In this video, we'll cover 7 impactful ways adult learners can use timed tests to improve performance, boost retention, and gain self-awareness about their learning needs. 7 ways adult students can use timed practice tests to close learning gaps. Number 1. Identify weak areas. When students face a time limit, their performance on different topics clearly highlights subjects needing more study. This focused awareness directs their learning efforts efficiently. Number 2. Assess knowledge recall. Time tests push students to retrieve information quickly, revealing what they truly know versus what they can recognize with more time. This distinction is crucial for exam readiness. Number 3. Practice under pressure. Simulating the time constraints of an actual assessment helps students manage anxiety and perform effectively when it counts. They become more comfortable with the pace and demands. Number 4. Improve time management. Working against the clock forces students to make strategic decisions about how to allocate their limited time to different questions. This skill is vital for maximizing scores. Number 5. Pinpoint application deficits. Students might understand a concept, but struggle to apply it under pressure. Time tests expose these application weaknesses, guiding them to practice problem solving. Number 6. Gauge retention over time. By taking practice tests periodically, students can see which information sticks and which fades, prompting timely review. This reinforces long-term learning. Number 7. Refine test-taking strategies. Timed practice allows students to experiment with different approaches, like tackling easier questions first, and discover what works best for their individual style. This builds strategic competence. Incorporating timed practice tests will allow adult learners to gain valuable self-awareness about their learning. This focused approach enables them to target their study efforts effectively and confidently close those learning gaps.